Hello, Bomb.
Hello, teacher.
How are you now?
I'm good.
Okay. So, how's your math class? How was math class, Bomb?
Can you say again?
How's your math class?
Because my teacher teach um longer.
Yeah, your teacher extended the time. That is why you went home late.
Yes.
Okay, that's okay, Bomb. I understand. Now, are you hungry?
No.
Oh no, you're not. Well, that's good to know. So don't worry, it will be quick now, Bomb. And let us have a quick review first. What is it again?
Uh, online
Okay, yes, that is correct. What about this one?
is in a class.
Very good. What about this one?
This is one-on-one.
Very good. And the last one?
Uh, in the school.
Okay, yes, very good. Now let us have this. Can you tell me again what it means when we say frightening?
Uh, Frightening is uh I don't remember.
Oh, you can't remember it. That's fine. So when we say frightening, we talked about this one last time, right? You told me that you were afraid of you're afraid of snakes. Okay, so frightening, it means it is something that is making you feel afraid or something you are scared of, Bomb. Okay, like snakes or what you've said, spiders when you were young. Okay, so that is frightening. Now, what about strict? Strict.
Uh, Strict is uh I don't know this word.
Oh, you don't know this word too. That's fine. Okay, so now when we say strict, it is a person who is demanding that rules must be or closely followed. Okay, so it is demanding discipline. Okay, wait, let me translate it. Strict.
Nghiêm ngặt,
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that is strict. And it could be positive or negative. It really depends on the situation. Now, let us practice and tell me which of the vocabulary items are positive and which are negative. Okay, so when we say friendly, is it positive or negative?
Friendly
Friendly.
is positive.
Yes, that's right. What about kind?
Try is positive.
Okay, yeah, positive to inspiring.
Uh, Inspiring is uh
Can you remember
is
the the meaning?
uh
Okay,
is
can you define inspiring first? What is inspiring?
inspiring is positive.
Okay, yes, it is positive because it is motivating someone. It's encouraging a person to do better. Okay, what about lazy?
Lazy is negative.
Okay, negative. Unfriendly.
Unfriendly is negative.
Okay, what about boring?
Boring is negative.
Okay, a negative too. Frightening.
Threatening is Negative.
Okay, negative. And what about strict?
Strict is positive.
Okay, yes, it is positive. Thank you so much. Now, when we say positive, when we say strict, by the way, it could be negative as well, right? It could be both positive and as well as negative. It depends on the situation or the scenario. Now, let us proceed to exercise three more vocabulary. Do you know complete exercises? Complete exercises at school.
Yes.
Okay, yes. So it means you're going to finish the task or questions in your book or worksheet. Now, we also have listen to recordings. Do you listen to recordings at school?
Recording is
Do you know it?
maybe yes.
What is it?
Is someone speak to uh
To others?
to other people.
Okay, yes. That is what usually happen in the audio we are listening to. Okay, so when we say listen to recordings, it means you will hear not only that, but you have to understand the audio clips or the conversations. Now we also have read books. Do you read books?
Yes.
Yes, you do. How often do you read books?
Uh Maybe twice a week or three times a week.
Oh, nice. Do you read novels or short stories?
Uh Sometimes is short story
What is
and
your favorite
sometimes
story?
uh I don't know in English
Oh, you
the
don't
name
know it.
English.
Oh, okay. That's okay, Bon. Now, next one, we also have do worksheets. Do you know it?
No,
Okay,
I don't
so
know.
it's just the same as completing exercises, because when we say do worksheets, it means you're going to fill out papers with questions and activities. Okay? Like what students usually do in their English class or in even in other subjects. Now we also have practice writing. Do you like writing?
No,
No,
I
you
don't like.
don't. Why? Why don't you like writing?
Uh, because too tired.
Oh, it's tiring for you. I see. That's okay. Now, next one, speak to my classmates. Do you speak to your classmates, Bam? Are you friendly?
Yes.
Okay. Now, next one, we also have speak in front of the class. Have you tried speaking in front of the class?
Uh, Front of the class.
Yes, in front of your whole classmate.
No,
No? Do you like speaking in front of the class?
no, I don't like.
Oh, you don't like it. But do you like to talk? Do you like to talk?
Yes.
Oh, yes, but with your classmates, not in front of the class. Okay. Now, what about speak to my teacher? Do you speak to your teacher?
Yes.
Okay, well, that is good, especially if you don't understand something. You should ask questions. You should talk to your teacher. Okay, now let us have a practice. And in here, you have to fill in have to or don't have to make these sentences true for you. Okay, now let us have the first one.
I have 3 books in my English classes.
Okay, you have to read books. What about for two?
Uh, I have to practice writing in my English classes.
Okay, what about three?
Uh, I have to listen to recording in my English classes.
Okay, now what about four?
I have to do worksheets in my English classes.
What about five?
I don't have to complete exercise in my English classes.
Okay, and six?
I have to speak to my teacher in my English classes.
Okay, nice. Thank you so much for that, Bob. Now we'll proceed to dialogue. Again, read this one with me. You will be Kyoko and you will be answering questions after this. Okay, when was your first English class, Kyoko?
My first English class were about 20 years ago.
Where was it?
It it was at uh em, element,
Elementary.
elementary school.
Do you know elementary, Bob?
I don't know.
Okay, it's just the same as primary school.
Uh,
Yes, from grade 1 to grade 6 here in the Philippines, grades 1 to 6. But in Vietnam, I think it's 1 to 5, right?
yes.
Okay, so now, what did you do in this class?
Uh, we did a few different activities. We did a lot of worksheets and active reading and writing.
Did you do a lot of speaking practice?
No, really. No. I spoke to my classmates a few times, but I didn't speak in front of the class.
What was your teacher like?
They were very friendly and kind, and also quite
Inspiring.
inspiring.
Did you enjoy the class?
Yet I did. I enjoyed it a lot of.
Okay, yes, thank you, Bob. Now let us check your understanding. Can you tell me when was Kyoko's first English class?
Uh, Ko- Kyoko first class English class is uh elementary
Okay,
school.
yes. Yes, that is correct. And she stated in here it was at an elementary school about 20 years ago. Okay, 20 years ago. Now, next one. Did Kyoko have to do a lot of speaking practice in her English class?
No, he didn't. No, she didn't.
Okay, yes, no, she didn't, but she spoke to her classmates a few times, but not in front of the class. Did Kyoko enjoy her first English class?
Yes, she did.
Okay, yes, that's correct. What about you, Bom? Do you like English? Do you like
Uh,
learning English?
Sometimes,
Why sometimes? Why not always?
uh, because sometimes I am tired.
Oh, you are tired. Are you tired now?
No.
Oh, no, you're not. Okay, I see. Yes, of course, it will depend on our mood too. That's okay, Mom. Now let us have exercise 5 complete the sentence. What is your answer for 1?
Uh, when was your first English class?
Okay, that's correct. What about 2?
My first English class was last week.
Okay, that's right. 3.
It was uh at high school.
Okay, that's correct. At high school. 4.
What did you do in the class?
That's correct. What about 5?
Oh, we lit we listening to recordings.
Is it with listening?
Uh, Listened.
Yeah, just listen, it talks about your past experience. Okay, so when we say listening, this is a gerund, right? Ing, it needs is, are, or so it should be we are listening, but we don't have are here, so it should be just listen. Okay, so now what about 6?
Uh, did you practice writing?
Okay, yes, it's A. Did you practice writing? What about 7?
Uh, what was your teacher like?
Okay, and the last one?
Uh, he was fun and inspiring.
Okay, yes, there you have it. Thank you so much. That's correct. And I believe that would be all it for our class today, Bomb. So on Saturday, we'll proceed to exercise 6. Thank you so much, and you can eat your lunch with your family now, Bomb. Thank you. Goodbye.